Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type CO2 in world. You can very easily type this CO2 in world, very easy and a quick way you can type this. So firstly you need to type here CO2 and you need to select this 2 and here you see this X and downside you saw this 2, so just click on it. So you see this CO2 will be very easily you can type this CO2. And the second way equation method will be there. So click on insert now equation. So don't click on equation just to script, just click on it. Now click on this subscript, just click on it subscript, and now here need to type here CO and here type 2 and now click on any empty area. So you see this CO2 gas name will be showing, and the third method is the shortcut method. If you showing this problem, you see this, now you can type any letter, so this letter will be typed in small letter. To turn off this, so click on this X downside 2, so this problem will be solved. Now this method will be shortcut, so type CO2 and select this 2, and shortcut is control plus is equal to. You see this will be small letter, 2 will be small. So this way you can very easily type, and to off this, so you need to press this control plus is equal to turn off and turn on it. So this way you can type this CO2 using these three methods in world. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.